Abdali Grammar School, Social Studies. Lesson Transport. Chapter number 2, Lecture number 3. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all fine. First of all, we discuss about long way traveling. People who travel a long way sometimes have to cross the sea, river, or lake. Tell me, students, while traveling a long way, what people have to cross? People who travel a long way sometimes have to cross the sea, river, or lake. Yes. Repeat once again. People who travel a long way sometimes have to cross the sea, a river, or lake. Now we discuss about water transport. Dear students, tell me how people cross sea, river, or lake. People can travel by boat or aeroplane. Repeat once again. People can travel by boat or aeroplane. Yes. Tell me, students, how people cross sea, river, or lake? People can travel by boat or aeroplane. Very good. In this slide, we learn about kinds of boats. There are many kinds of boats for traveling in water. For example, a ferry, a raft, a canoe, a speedboat. There are many kinds of boats for traveling in water. For example, a ferry, a raft, a canoe, a speedboat, a luxury liner, a sailing boat, oil tanker, rowing boat, a barge. There are many kinds of boats for traveling in water. For example, luxury liner, sailing boat, oil tanker, rowing boat, barge. Now we discuss about ferry used for. A ferry is used for carries people and goods from one bank of a river to the opposite bank. Dear students, tell me, for what a ferry used for? A ferry is used for carries people and goods from one bank of a river to the opposite bank. Repeat once more. A ferry is used for carries people and goods from one bank of a river to the opposite bank. Yes, very good. In this slide, we learn about ship used for. Ships are used to carry large loads of goods like grain, wood, machinery, etc. Dear students, tell me, what is a ship used for? Ships are used to carry large loads of goods like grain, wood, machinery, etc. Yes, repeat once again. Ships are used to carry large loads of goods like grain, wood, machinery, etc. Our next slide is about tanker. Ships that carry oil are called tanker. Dear students, tell me, what are tankers? Ships that carry oil are called tankers. Repeat it again. Ships that carry oil are called tankers. Thousands of barrels of oil. Which ships carry thousands of barrels of oil? Tankers are huge ships which carry thousands of barrels of oil. Yes, tankers are huge ships which carry thousands of barrels of oil. Now it's your turn. Tell me, students, which ships carry thousands of barrels of oil? Tankers are huge ships which carry thousands of barrels of oil. Packed goods are transported by. Goods that are packed in container are transported in container ship. Dear students, how packed goods are transported? Goods that are packed in containers are transported in container ships. Good. Repeat once again. Goods that are packed in containers are transported in container ships. Now we discuss about uses of boats. Dear students, can you answer my question now? My question is, what are the other uses of boats? Boats are also used for sports and adventure. Yes, boats are also used for sports and adventure. Very good. Repeat once again. Boats are also used for sports and adventure. Now we learn about speedboat. Speedboat moves very fast over the water. Dear students, tell me, which boat moves fast over the water? A speedboat moves very fast over the water. A speedboat moves very fast over the water. Yes, very good. Repeat once again. Which boat moves fast over the water? A speedboat moves very fast over the water. Our next slide is about fishermen. Fishermen also use boats to go fishing in the lakes, rivers, or sea. Dear students, tell me, why does fishermen use boats? Fishermen also use boats to go fishing in the lakes, rivers, or the sea. Yes. Repeat once again. Why does fishermen use boats? Fishermen also use boats to go fishing in the lakes, rivers, or the sea. Yes, very good. Our next slide is about ship engine. Dear students, tell me, which type of engines do ships have? Ships have huge engines. Yes, ships have huge engines. Repeat once again. Which type of engines do ships have? Ships have huge engines. Yes, very good. Dear students, can you see in the picture some boats that have no engines? Yes, some boats have not engine. For example, a raft, a canoe, a rowing boat. These boats are without engine. Repeat once again. Some boats have not engine. For example, a raft, a canoe, a rowing boat. Yes, these boats are without engine. Our next slide is about muscular power. Dear students, tell me, how do without engine boat move? They move with muscular power. Yes, they move with muscular power. Repeat once again. Tell me, students, how do without engine boat moves? They move with muscular power. Yes, they move with muscular power. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.